Join us on an adventure exploring Taiwan's two most famous cities, Jiufen and Shifen. Starting at the stunning Shifen waterfall, we'll wander through Jiufen's dreamy lantern-lit streets. We are currently at Jiufen, so this is a very well-known place in Taiwan. It's almost like a night market by itself. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on our travel adventures. Good morning! So today we are heading to Jiufen. We are taking a bus there, booked from Klook as well. So now we are at Taipei main station and we are trying to find the bus.
The meetup point is at Eastgate 3.
Let's see how it goes. It's supposed to be a rainy day, so yeah, we are all prepared. We're on the bus now, so it's an hour ride to the Shifen waterfall. So we are heading there first. So I think there's 3 stops: the waterfall, and then the lantern place, and then lastly Jiufen. We are currently walking into the Shifen waterfall. Quite a nice walk, and it's like walking downstream.
Yeah, quite nice weather. It was raining earlier in the day, so I think now it's cooling. But yeah, normally it will be hotter in summer.
It's like 2:30 in the afternoon now. Pretty good weather.
Which is quite shaky.
Yeah, I feel quite scared. Oh my god, it's like shaking left and right. I'm glad we are at the end now.
Take 2 or 3 pictures here. Number 4 top.
So we are here at the Shifen waterfall. It's behind us. Find a man who carries your bag for you. Back on the shaky beach. Can you feel it shaking? So it's actually quite a far walk in. We had 45 minutes but it passed by so quickly. I felt that we were only at the waterfall for like 5 minutes and then we have to go early. So now we are heading to our next destination, which is Shifen, where we can release the lanterns. Color one. So each color represents a different aspect that you want to wish for. So red is for health. So when we book on Klook, we accidentally booked like 2 lanterns. You can choose like 1 color, 4 colors or 8 colors, and we chose 2 4 color ones.
So we paid 2 times the price.
Yeah, and it's not refundable. So we swapped it for 8 color instead, and I think it's a good deal. So we can wish the best for all aspects in our life. All covered. What's the right for happiness?
I don't know. What to do?
Oh no, I cannot. Tell me sing. Happy wife, happy life. Retire early in Vegas. So we just finished writing our 8 colors and now we are waiting to put off the lantern into the sky.
Hey, hello, yeah, say hello，再转，转天灯，对，放低， 好，看镜头，笑一个新加坡美女帅哥，手放开，放手，放手，拿下面框框。祝你平安健康发财，够花了1、2、3，放手，哇啦！好，成功了！哇，一飞冲天！耶，美女帅哥，耶！
Choosing our Taiwan mannet. Nice.
Yes, it's still so nice.
Oh my god, it's nice. We just reached Jiufen, so Jiufen is about 45 minutes away from Shifen. It's even further from Taipei. Now we have to walk up a very steep flight of steps. Thanks for carrying my bag, love dog. Oh my god, we have been climbing steps for like the past 5 minutes. It's crazy. It's quite crowded as well. Whoa, so packed. The flight of stairs continues. I think our legs are gonna be aching tomorrow. Freeze and post.
Get this.
It's the pineapple tart. The pineapple tart is good. It's so hot, it's like so fresh. I like the pineapple tart. Let's get it. Best invention. We bought some pineapple tarts. Yay. How's the food?
Okay, just so hungry.
Super hungry. We haven't eaten for the whole day. We are currently at Jiufen, so this is a very well-known place in Taiwan. It's almost like a night market by itself. There's a lot of souvenir shops, tea, bubble tea, street food.
A lot of lanterns.
It's a very nice
view. Yeah, worth checking out. But it's a very steep climb.
See you, bye-bye. What did we get?
So we bought some tea because the sales lady was very friendly, so we just support her. But also the tea was quite nice.
Yeah, it's not cheap though. It's
It's
like
like 100 for
100 SGD for like
four.
something. Thursday today and it's still quite crowded, packed with tourists. It's summer now, but I think it's quite cooling, so we are quite fortunate today actually.
Yeah, the weather is quite good because it just rained in the morning, so now it's quite chill.
And now it's night time, so it's nicer, more cooling as well.
Come and hold me.
Now we are walking to a photo spot by the tour guide, so he's leading us
Hidden spot that he says only he knows about.
to see the night view of Jiufen.
Okay, good. Follow me.
Oh, so windy.
To that corner. Very beautiful. Part of it. So this is the whole view of Jiufen. Night view, okay? Take it. Use the night picture mode.
So this is the hidden photo spot, and you can really see the whole Jiufen. It's a night view, so the lights are very nice.
It's a 15 minutes walk, but it's definitely worth the walk. You capture the whole beauty of Jiufen in one shot.
We'll show you
We'll
some
show you the
pictures
photos.
here. So
Looks
nice. Looks very good. And he says not many people know about this, so recommended to come. Don't know how to direct them. We just got back from the whole day tour. We thought it was quite worth it. I think
Super worth it actually.
Yeah, super worth
It's
it.
1:30 to 8:30, so it's a 7-hour tour. The bus took us to all the places. The tour guide was very helpful as well.
Very informative, very helpful, very friendly.
Yeah, and it's $40. It's super worth it. I think if you take a cab there, it's really probably 40 to any one location. So the bus was quite comfortable, super good value.
And the best thing is that it's super tiring from all the walking up the slope and steps. We knocked out in the bus. Like you can just sleep throughout the bus ride to and fro. It takes about an hour to go to Shifen area, and then from Shifen it's like 45 minutes to Jiufen, and then from Jiufen back is another 1 hour.
We spent about 45 minutes at Shifen Waterfall, about another 45 minutes at the Lantern, and then about 2.5 hours at Jiufen. It was a bit tight, but I think just nice. Like in terms that we got back at 8:30, if not we will be very late. Overall, a very fulfilling trip. Yeah, one shot and you can see all the nice places in Taiwan.
Very, very worth it. So we'll leave the link in the description below to book this tour. We highly recommend it if it's your first time in Taiwan and you want to visit Jiufen and Shifen. It's like the iconic places of Taiwan.
So the other tours I think start at 8 AM, which was a bit too early for us. The night tour starts at 1:30 and ends at now 8:30, and you get to see the night view of Jiufen, which was quite worth it because you see the day and night view.
You can use our promo code when you are doing your Klook booking for this tour. We will leave it in the description below as well.
You get a 5% discount when you use our promo code.
Yes, which is very worth it.
Really very worth it for like 40 plus, and then you get a 5% sum. That's super good deal.
Okay, that's all. See you.
See you.
Bye.
Holding on to something.